What's up guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna be installing some new LED headlight bulbs in my Aprilia RSV4. If you're new to the channel, you don't know this, but I already had some LED headlight bulbs installed in my motorcycle, but they were from China. They were good for the price I paid for them, but they only lasted for 10 months. I run them in this motorcycle for about 8,000 kilometers, but last week they start to fail. I had to remove them, install the OEM lamps, and then I decided to upgrade the lights in my motorcycle, but this time with a really good quality branded LED headlight bulbs. So I decided to go with this Philips LED headlight bulbs. These ones are really good quality. They are not cheap, but they have 2-year warranty and they are really good. So these are the LED headlight bulbs. I don't know if you can see really well. It says Philips in there, and they are supposed to be really good. So in here, that's what it comes with the kit, and of course you need that to make. So I already removed the OEM lamp. Everyone knows how to do that. You need to take this clamp apart and remove the wire. Now we take the new headlamp bulb. What we are going to do, we are going to remove the fan from the back of the lamp. Now this part here should be facing up, and the lamp should go right in there. Yes, so now what we do, we get this big part here, and we are going to plug the wire first like this, and then we are going to find the best place for it inside of the headlamp housing. Here you go, you see, it goes inside, and you will then attach the fan to the headlamp. Well, so now you only have to connect these wires here. So first the tiny one, and then you have to screw this. Okay, then we are going to find room for these wires and install the cap. There you go. Everything is inside of the headlamp housing, and now we can put the cap right on place. There you go guys. A bit tricky, first time for me, but as you can see, everything is inside, and we could put the cap right on place. So the other side of the headlamp, it's the same. So I hope I could help you with this installation. Thank you so much.